Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a cornfield located on the Ohio River Flats near Evansville, Indiana. We're going to spend some time taking a look at a Steiger PUMA 1000 tractor working on grain cart duty during corn harvest alongside a Case IH 2588 combine. We'll talk about the tractor's production history, specifications, and original price tag. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear this tractor at work. The PUMA 1000 was manufactured by Steiger Tractor Incorporated in Fargo, North Dakota from 1983 through 1986. It's powered by a CDC 8.3-liter 505 cubic inch engine rated at 168 PTO horsepower. It's equipped with a full power shift transmission with 12 forward and 6 reverse speeds. It features a 115-gallon diesel fuel tank and from the factory weighed in at 17,000 pounds and can be field weighted up to 22,661 pounds. When the tractor was brand new, it had a list price of $70,422. During the corn harvest on this Indiana farm, the PUMA 1000 is operating an Easy Trail 475 grain cart that holds 475 bushels of corn. The PUMA 1000 is also used in the spring with a Kinsey 3700 24-row corn planter that plants 60 feet of corn spaced at 30 inches. The combine harvesting corn in this video is a 305 horsepower Case IH 2588 combine. It's fitted with a 290 bushel grain tank and can unload corn at 2.4 bushels per second. Here we can see the Steiger PUMA 1000 unloading corn into one of the farm's classic MACK trucks. This is a model B-67 and it does a great job in hauling the corn from the field back to the farm. I hope you've enjoyed spending time out in the field seeing and hearing this Steiger PUMA 1000 on grain cart duty. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, I hope you'll consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there are over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. Make sure to click on the notifications bell as well so you'll know when the next Big Tractor Power video is released. New videos are coming out almost every day from the channel. If you have any questions or thoughts about this video, please leave them in the comment section below, as I try to respond to every post that is made. If you would like to get a preview of what is coming up next on Big Tractor Power YouTube, make sure to check out Big Tractor Power Instagram, where I share pictures and short video clips of what is currently being filmed in the field. As always, thank you for watching.